Hi everyone, Max with HYTE here, and today we're going to show you how to install and get the most out of our brand new powered USB hub. First, you're going to want to prep the system. Make sure you've got clear access to your motherboard and that it has at least one available USB 2 header. Additionally, ensure your power supply has an available SATA connector on one of its cables. Now, take the contents of the powered USB cable out of the box. There should be a powered USB hub, a Type-C cable that splits into a USB 2 header, and SATA power, and an included adhesive strip inside. Let's route the cable first. Plug the USB 2.0 header into the available port on your motherboard, and SATA power into the available connector on your PSU cable. Next, take the powered USB hub and connect any additional USB 2.0 cables into the recessed ports. Now we'll take the Type-C cable that we had pre-routed earlier and plug it into our hub's Type-C port. If your case has a magnetic surface, simply attach the hub anywhere inside your case. Otherwise, use the included adhesive strip to stick it anywhere you'd like. Finally, turn that rotary power switch on and watch the hub come to life. Congratulations! You're now ready to enjoy secure and stable power to all the USB 2.0 accessories inside your system.